Yeah, Sanbon. Guys, you remember Ulungelo Saul, who is Masawola's son. Masawola is Musamselegu's second wife. Yeah, sanibona uma ngabe umuntu ongayithanda indaba zabantu ungahlali kule video kanti uma umuntu ongathanda ukulalela abanye abantu bekhuluma indaba zabantu ungahlali kule video. So, remember there was one season where uMusamseleku noMakhumalo started sharing stories about uMasawolo who was the second wife kaMseleku. Okay. Ilo nkosikazi lo uThobile athi ubezwana naye edle lunch naye kanti uthandana nendoda yakhe yabona lo nkosikazi lo uSindi lo abahamba bayombona laphayana bamvakashela emathuneni is the late mother, the late wife kaMusamseleku. Okay, now that one season Ulungelo made an appearance because apparently they wanted to get an update as to what happened to him, because after Cindy's passing they were not able to keep the relationship with him, that is uMakhumalo no Musamseleku. Now, Ulungelo made an appearance on Uthando Nesithembu and had a meeting with uMakhumalo where he expressed that ever since his mother passed, he hasn't really seen Musamseleku and he would like to have a conversation with him. In fact, he revealed that when his mother passed away, he did not know that Musamseleku was not his biological father. So he was very confused when Mseleku went and dropped him with his mother's family, left him with his mother's family and never came back. And he really would have loved to have had a conversation with Musamseleku. We never saw that conversation. Lungelo is living a very positive life and very present on social media, and we've seen him doing some coffee shop business thing. And yes, you guys, and I was shocked when I actually found out who he was, because he was very public, but on Uthando Nesithembu, they made it sound like they had to go and find Ulungelo, like they did not know where he was, but he's very much visible on social media. So he also graduated, you guys, from UKZ, and it is a graduation season. We just saw Mabiela Naye graduating, and no, Lungelo Saul has just graduated. Okay, listen. Okay. Gogo Flow B, that's why umzumbu feel, because Gogo Flow busy ngabazukulu bakhe. Ngiyazi ke nizothi akuyena umzukulu kaGogo Flow, but it's a step umzukulu, because had uma usende been alive, I guess ulungelo uphi Musamseleku stepson. Okay. But anyway, at the time, he did not even know that there was his stepfather. But anyway, guys, congratulations to Ulungelo Saul. I just wanted to give you a background as to why we even care about what he is doing, is because he was once on Uthando Nesithembu, and we have spoken about his mother so much. So congratulations to Ulungelo Saul. Thank you so much. Goodbye.